You will learn how to create a database in Plesk. This tutorial assumes that you have already logged into your Plesk account. In the left sidebar of your Plesk account, there is the Databases option. Click this option and go to the Databases interface. Then click the Add Database button. Enter the database name, such as blog, in the given input box, then click to open the drop-down list for related sites and select an appropriate website. You can enter a database username and password and create a default user to make the database accessible. If you don't want to create a default user, click to uncheck the box for database user creation. When ready, click OK. That's it. The new database has been successfully created. Now you know how to create a database in Plesk. Thank you for watching.